Hello learners, welcome to Swayam course on CAT CAM. I am Dr. K. Tamil Manan, Associate Professor, Mechanical Engineering, School of Engineering and Technology, Indira Gandhi National Open University, New Delhi. Today we are going to discuss the topic on Automated Guided Vehicle System. It's shortly called AGV'S. Hello learners, welcome to Swayam course on CAT CAM. Today we are going to discuss the topic on Automated Guided Vehicle System. It's shortly called AGV'S. Automated Guided Vehicle System is a material handling system. Basically, it is a material handling system. There are various automated vehicles used in the automated guided vehicle system, such as carts, pallets, or trays, which are programmed to move between different manufacturing and warehouse stations without a driver. Basically, the automated material handling system is a programmed automated vehicles, which is moving a different manufacturing location within the industry without a driver. These systems are used to increase the efficiency, decrease the damage to goods, and reduce overhead by limiting the number of employees required to complete the job. These are the features in automated guided vehicle systems: to increase the efficiency, the same time decrease the damage to goods, so goods damage has been avoided, and reduce the overhead by limiting the number of employees required to complete the job. Automated guided vehicle system is one of the widely used types of material handling device in flexible manufacturing system. These are battery powered vehicles. This automated guided vehicle system is working based on the battery power. Automated guided vehicle can move and transfer materials by following prescribed paths around the manufacturing floor. The automated vehicle is move and transfer which is used to help and transfer the materials, devices, parts. It's as prescribed paths around the manufacturing floor in the industry. These are physically tied with production line or an operator like a forklift. Some vehicles can be programmed for complicated and varying routes. Some of the vehicle has been programmed for complicated and varying the different routes in the manufacturing industry. The computer controls the dispatching, routing, traffic control, and collision avoidance. These are the computer plays an important role in the dispatching, routing, traffic control, and avoiding the collisions. Automated guided vehicles usually complementing an automated production line. Also, it provides flexibility of complex and programmable movement around the manufacturing shop. So it's basically provides a very flexible as well as its program movement around the manufacturing shop. There are various methods of automated guided vehicle system, such as vehicle guidance and routing methods, traffic control and safety methods, system control and management methods, vehicle guidance and routing methods. These are one of the methods. The guidance system, it refers to the method by which automated guided vehicles pathways are defined and controlled. There are two methods in guidance systems: vehicle guidance and routing methods. One is the guide wire method, another one is the paint strip method. In guide wire method, the two wires are laid along the automated guided vehicles path. So in this path, there are two vehicles, the two wires are laid along in the AGV system. The wire is supplied with electric signal which creates a magnetic field along the path. The vehicle, this AGV, this vehicle moves that with the electric signal, it is supplied the electric signal which creates a magnetic field along the path. The complete path, it creates the magnetic signals. So automated guided vehicle follows the path independently by sensing the devices. Based on the sensor, it's independently moving the path. This AGV automated guided vehicle system, the guide wire method, it's moving the path. Another method is the paint strip method. In this paint strip method, its suitable paint is painted along the automated graded vehicle's path, which is used to paint the system in the components in the automated graded vehicle's prescribed path. The optical sensor available in the automated graded vehicle senses this path and moves independently. Based on the optical sensor, the device, the automated graded vehicles sense it and it's moving the path and moves independently. These are microprocessor control systems provided by automated graded vehicles to avoid its moving away the path and collisions. So it's working based on the microprocessor control system so that it can be avoided to moving away from the prescribed path as well as the collision between the vehicles or any other parts or any other human beings. Another one is the routing system. The routing system, it is concerned that the problem of selecting the correct path among the alternative paths available to the vehicle at the junctions. So in that, these are very important points to discuss in routing system. It selects the correct optimum path. There are various alternative paths are available at junctions, so that it helps to select the suitable and appropriate path. There are two methods available for this. One is the frequency select method, another one is the path switch select method. The frequency select method concerns that the current in the different paths will be of different frequencies, so that every path having the different current frequencies. In path switch select method, the current in the other paths will be switched off. So one path is on and another path will be switched off. It can help to avoid the collision between the vehicles or other parts. Traffic control and safety methods. In traffic control concern that it relates to the prevention of collision between the vehicles traveling along the same path. If same path is by the different vehicles, different automated graded vehicles is moving in that same path, it helps to prevent the collision between the vehicles. It is done by a blocking control system. It's a blocking control system. It helps to avoid the collision between the vehicles. This blocking system works in two ways. Using onboard vehicle sensing devices to sense the presence of vehicle ahead. So here a sensor is placed to sense the other vehicle in the ahead in the same path. The automated guided vehicle's path layout is divided into number of zones. Entering one vehicle into one zone, which is already the another vehicle will be avoided. This is called zone blocking. If already one vehicle is moving in the particular path, so that another vehicle should be automatically avoided. This is called the zone blocking method. Safety methods. It relates the collision of vehicle on human being who is on the way. So it helps to avoid the collision in the vehicle with human being in the same path. It is also possible by suitable sensors in front of automated guided vehicle to touch and feel the presence of human being and stop the vehicle. So another sensor which helps to touch and feel the presence of human being to stop the vehicles to avoid the collision between the vehicles as well as collision between any other parts or human beings. Also, there may be warning signals from the automated guided vehicle system. The sensor is working and providing the warning signals in the automated guided vehicle system to avoid the collision between the vehicles and human beings. The system control management. Providing on-board controls panel in the automated guided vehicle system by using remote control. Another one is by using computer control. There is two control methods which helps in the system control management. Providing with the on-board control panels on the automated guided vehicle systems, so that each guided vehicle is equipped with some of on-board control panel. So that each guided vehicle is equipped with some of on-board control panel. So the board control panel helps to avoid the collision between the vehicles and the other parts or other human beings. It serves purpose of vehicle programming and other functions. So that it helps to that programming and other functions of the automated guided vehicle systems. It gives flexibility to change and vary in delivery requirements. It provides it's flexible to the change and vary the delivering requirements. By using the remote control. In remote control, the arrangement helps to call the nearest available automatic guided vehicle system at the time of requirements. So that it's by using the remote control, it helps to call the nearest available of automated guided vehicle whenever it's required. From the point, it's moved to the dispatch station using on board control panel facility. So from the particular point, it's moved to the dispatch the station by using the onboard control panel facility. So here it's onboard control panel. It provides to the helps to the control the movement of the automated guided vehicle system. Some remote controls have the facility to program to the dispatch. So some remote controls have the facility which is used to program the automated guided vehicle system to dispatch the requirements. It leads to the automated system of dispatching. So the dispatching also its automated systems, it leads and helps to automated guided vehicle system. Another one is by using computer control systems. This arrangement helps to automatic vehicle dispatching as per pre-planned schedule. So that here its automatic vehicle dispatching is based on the pre-planned schedules. The pickups and delivers in response to the calls from the various stations or programs. So based on the calls from the various stations, the pickups and delivery of the materials, it's based on the programs. It's working based on the computer control, so that it's called that it's computer control automated guided vehicle systems. It gives a full flexible automated guided vehicle system. So it's a complete flexible system it provides in the automated guided vehicle systems. There are different types of automated guided vehicle systems such as driverless trains, pallet trucks, unit load carriers. These are the three different types which is used in the automated guided vehicle systems. Driverless trains. This is similar to the kind of trains which is pulls one or more trailers to form a train. In this automated guided vehicle system, it's a number of boxes or trailers to form a train to pulls the various materials or devices. Its function is to move heavy loads to large distance in the industry with or without intermediate stops. So it helps to transport the heavy loads at large distance within the industry with or without intermediate stops. It can be in between intermediate stops or without intermediate stops. It can be helps to transfer the various materials at large quantity at large distance. Another one is the pallet trucks. This type of automated guided vehicles it provides the manual steering and fork arrangement. This system having its manual steering and fork arrangement. So the human can operate the pallet trucks. Its function is to move palletized loads along the predetermined routes. So that this pallet trucks is moving along the predetermined routes. The routes are already predetermined. It's moving based on the predetermined routes. It is steered manually to the load point which is away from the automated guided vehicle's path. So that it operates manually to load the point which is away from the automated guided vehicle path. Using the forks load is made to lift and steer back manually to guide the path. So that here it's a lift, it helps to it's steer back and to guide the proper path in the automated vehicle system in the industry. The destination is programmed. The vehicle proceeds to unload the point automatically. So that destination, where to dispatch or deliver the materials is already programmed. So that the vehicle is proceed the unload the point or unload the materials. It's automatically based on the programs. Unit load carriers. The unit load carriers carry a single load at a time with automatic loading and unloading the arrangement. Automated guided vehicle the unit load couriers is a single bulk load. It's having that. It's automatically loading and unloading arrangement is inbuilt with the unit load carriers. Its function to move unit loads from one station to another station with automatic loading and unloading arrangement. It can move from one station to another station for loading as well as unloading the arrangement. This figure shows the roller unit load carriers. The roller deck for the side loading this tops, which is having unit load, bulk load, the driving wheels. There are various benefits of automated guided vehicle systems, such as the route of automated guided vehicles can be easily altered. So that there are various benefits in this by using the automated guided vehicle system, such as the routes can be easily altered, expanded and modified by changing the guide path of the vehicles according to the requirement of loading and unloading, so that the automated guided vehicle system can easily alter. We can alter the paths or routes. We can expand the routes or short the routes and modify the changing the guide path. We can change the we can change up the path of vehicle routes, so that we can it's having the flexible system in the for loading and unloading the arrangements materials, so that it is the most cost effective than modifying fixed conveyor lines or rail guided vehicles. It's this automated guided vehicle system is comparatively it's cost effective, like compared to the fixed conveyor or rail guided vehicles. Because of the computer control, automated guided vehicles can be monitored in real time, so that here its computer control helps to monitor the complete process as in a real time in automated guided vehicle systems. The vehicles can be rerouted for urgent requests can be served. If in case of any emergency, the automated guided vehicles can be rerouted for the urgent requirements at any time within the industry. Automated guided vehicle system can travel at a slow speed. We can vary the speed in that route path. The traffic and prevents collision between the vehicles are possible, so that we can control the traffic as well as prevent the collisions between the vehicles is possible based on the sensors and computer control systems. With the computer control, best path was identified by the simulation. By using the simulation techniques in the computer control, it's provide the optimum best path of automated control vehicle systems to move the loading and unloading the arrangements and materials. Increase the performance of the flexible manufacturing system. It helps to increase the performance of flexible manufacturing systems. There are various advantages of automated guided vehicles, such as reduction in direct labor, so that direct labor has been reduced, so no need of direct labor here. Utilization of less floor space during material handling, so that during material transport, delivery, dispatching, loading or unloading, so that it require only less space because it's already programmed path, so that it's require only the very less space for the during manufacturing and material handling. Better control of material flow and inventory control, so that the material flow and inventory has been controlled in better way. There are safety records has been improved. There is various safety methods and records has been improved, and product damage has been reduced. There is no collision between the vehicles and the parts and other devices, so that automatically the product damage has been reduced. The use of removal and relocations, so that removal and relocation is very simple and quick, very easily. The system adaptability and flexibility. The system can be adaptability at any circumstance, as well as is very flexible in the automated guided vehicle systems. Also, it's improved productivity and quality. So by using the automated guided vehicle system, so that productivity has been increased as well as quality is enhanced. There are some limitations in the automated guided vehicle systems, such as its potentially high initial investment. So the investment cost is initially it's high. Also, its maintenance cost also it's high. It's not suitable for non-repetitive tasks. So that it's repetitive, non-repetitive tasks is not suitable. It's decreased flexibility of operations. So the flexibility of propulsion has been decreased. These are some limitation of automated guided vehicle systems. Learners, we have so far we have covered various topics in automated guided vehicle system, such as automated guided vehicle system, what is automated guided vehicle system, methods of automated guided vehicle system, and systems control management, how we can control the various paths in the system, types of automated guided vehicle systems. There are various benefits of automated guided vehicle systems, advantages of automated guided vehicle systems, and disadvantages of automated guided vehicle systems. There are some books for reference for further reading, such as Automation Production Systems, Computer Integrated Manufacturing, Michael P. Gruber, Prentice Call India Limited Publications, CAD CAM SIM, Radhakrishnan P., The New Age International Public Limited, CAD CAM Gruber, Michael P. and Zimmers Emery, the Prentice Call India Limited, CAD CAM Principle and Applications, Rao P.M., Tata McGraw-Hill Higher Education Limited, Mastering CAD CAM, Ibrahim Said, Tata McGraw-Hill Higher Education Limited. So these are the books which helps to the for further readings. Learners, so far we have covered in this topic automated guided vehicle system. So we have discussed what is automated guided vehicle system, what is the various types of automated guided vehicle systems, and various control management of automated guided vehicle systems, various benefits and applications and limitation of automated guided vehicle systems. Hope you might have understood the basic and fundamental concept of automated guided vehicle system. Thanks for listening.